Okay, so can somebody read example 1 for us? Who has a nice voice? Eiko, you have a nice voice. And you're so totally paying attention, I can see.
An earthquake strikes and the pole that was buried in the ground is tilted towards the sun at an 8-degree angle from its vertical position and now casts a 22-foot shadow. The angle of elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole is 43 degrees. How tall was the pole in its vertical position? How much more of the pole was exposed after the earthquake?
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so this was the original pole at a vertical position. So this angle right here is 90 degrees. But because of the humongous earthquake, this pole is now tilted towards the sun. Like this. Okay, and more of it got exposed because of the earthquake. The ground is broken, and so it looks like this. Okay, and then from the and so what is this angle right here? How much is that? No, how many degrees? Okay, it got tilted towards the sun. 8 degrees. That's right. So that's 8 degrees right there. All right. And then, I need to draw some sort of triangle somehow. So that's my triangle from the tip of the tilted pole to the ground. There's my triangle. Where are shadows again? On the ground. Yeah, so this is 22. Oh, foot, not meters. Foot. And angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Are we talking about this angle or are we talking about this angle? The top one or the bottom one? Bottom. That's right, because angle of elevation from your horizontal line. This is my only horizontal line here, looking up. So this is 43 degrees. All right. If I give you guys a question like this on the test, would you be able to draw this triangle? No? Yeah, I think you could. So vertical pole tilted 8 degrees towards the sun. It casts a shadow. Angle of elevation. I think you guys could do it. Okay. So now that we have our diagram, we can find how tall was the pole in its vertical position. So X right here. My pole. I need to find out how long this X is. So what should I do? How do I find X? Sorry? SOHCAHTOA, that's right. If you cover up this part, it's just a right angle triangle. SOHCAHTOA. Opposite, adjacent. So which one is it? Opposite, adjacent. Tangent. Yeah, good. See, you didn't forget everything we learned last week. So tangent, 43 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. Okay. So cross multiply, divide. This we did so much of. So you get 20.5 feet. Okay, so we done the first part. How tall was the pole in its vertical position? We found out that's 20.5 feet. How much more of the pole was exposed after the earthquake? So now we want to find out this right here, the length of this pole. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, well, I have this side and this angle. Okay, I have this pair. I'm thinking maybe I can use sine law. Okay, I have 22 here, but I don't know this angle. What can I do? I need two pairs to do sine law. Can I find out what this angle is? Okay. Perfect. Okay, so 180 minus this right here. I know this is 90, this is 8. So altogether, this whole angle is 98 degrees minus 43. So that angle right there is 39. So now I'm looking at this big triangle right here where I can use the 22 with this. I have the highlighted pair and I have the red pair. So I can do sine law. Y over sine 43 equals 22 over sine 39. Okay. And then since you guys did your homework yesterday and the day before, you guys know how to solve y. Y is 22 times sine 43 degrees divided by sine 39 degrees. Cross multiply and then divide. Right? And when you do that, you get 23.8 feet. Yeah. There's what? Oh, okay. And Nikki, is not your water that's leaking? Oh, okay. Sure. I'll get a caretaker to wipe it after. Okay, so if I write all this, will I get full marks? Yes? No. Okay, Radin says no. He's right. I won't get full marks. I'm going to lose one silly mark. Did I answer the question? No. How much more? How much more of the pole was exposed? So make sure you answer that one simple subtraction question. 23.8 subtract 20.5. That means 3.3 feet of the pole was exposed after the earthquake. Okay. Now, as I was saying, how is this a grade 10 question compared to a grade 11 mixed question? Well, in 11M, I would give the same question, but I would take out this sentence right here. Okay. So the fact that I asked you this kind of gave you the idea that, okay, I need to find this first and then that and so forth. But in grade 11M, I won't even ask that. I will just ask how much more of the pole was exposed after the earthquake. And then that implies you still have to do all this. All right, so you see the difference between grade 10 and grade 11? All right, same question, but this one you were given a little hint. All right, so in this question we did SOHCAHTOA and sine law. All right, let's see example 2. Ryan. Yeah, you have a triangular backyard. All right, and the side length of your backyard is 27, 21, and 18 meters. Now you have a bag of fertilizer that covers 400 meters square, and I want to know if you have enough fertilizer to cover your lawn, and if so, how many times can you fertilize? Okay, so in the last test, when you guys drew diagrams, what type of triangles were you guys drawing? Sorry? Right triangles. Can I do the same thing for this chapter? No. So do not draw right angle triangles. If it happens to be a 90 degree at the end, then it's good. It makes it easier. But if it doesn't say, assume that it is not a right angle triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle like this. So that this is 18 meter, 21 meter, 27 meter. All right. Okay, I'm given 3 sides. What should I do? Given 3 sides. Cosine law. Yeah, it should be like automatic. When you're given 3 sides, you know you're trying to solve for cosine law. So I'm gonna just call it triangle ABC. Since I'm given 3 sides, I'm thinking I should probably solve for an angle. So let's solve for angle A. So if I want to solve for angle A, I'm going to start with A, end with A. Okay. Who can tell me the equation? Yeah, so Shane, A squared equal plus. Yeah, okay. I just want to. Yeah. Minus 2AB. BC, yes. And then cosine. Right. Okay. So now it's just now that we have this, we can